Hello people! So I know you were all wondering what this is, even though you probably were still wondering if we were smart enough to turn it into something. I'm not sure yet, but we're trying to make it into something. Alright, so don't say it's parts cleaner or else we'll have to redo the video. Look, it's a big metal box and you pour water in it like this. Okay?
Alright, so I've actually already made up this video besides the intro and extra, or intro and exit.
Extra.
Y'all have seen a little bit about this mysterious box that we've made, or booth.
Hey,
this mysterious booth, whatever. But like my little blonde brother just said, it's parts cleaner.
Plus it's not. That's the extra.
Let's move it away from the trash can.
Hello, people. My name is Mason Taylor. Tegan is short. Alright, so there's a big metal box right there. Don't worry, him's on a stool right now. Alright, so there's a big metal box right there. Hello, people.
Yeah, let's get to it.
You already did 90% of the welding.
No, there's still more. We're not even 90% done.
There we are.
No, we're not.
90% done. We're 90% done with what Dad told us to do. Does you think Tegan should quit welding forever? I think you should, so then I can do my welding.
Okay, so what you're going to do, Tegan, you're going to clamp it down, and you want to make sure it's sitting back in there good. And this back edge, it's back in there, you want to run a bead, more like this here, about an inch.
The longer bead.
Just about an inch everywhere, okay?
Yeah.
So start up, and you're going to have to be careful, okay? It's not easy, but you're going to have to start up here and just weld down. Just keep doing, and get down to this one, and stop, and then move these two down.
Yep.
And then weld down and stop, okay?
Hey guys, so we are currently not working on this right now, but we will be soon. So we got the big box. So this is going to be at the end of the video that you just watched. So this parts washer is going to be done hopefully pretty quick. Hopefully you guys have already commented and liked and subscribed and all this stuff. But only like...
Alright people, I'm gonna be honest with you. I've tried to make this exit video over 8 times, but the camera has either screwed it up, background music, or battery dying, SD card being full, things going off. And then putting together the video was fun. Most of the video I already put together, but the intros, the 8 intros I put together into one, that was interesting. Because it's not quite one, but it's been fun. Thank you for watching. We're gonna try to get more done on 6-Squatch. We have actually gotten a lot of stuff done on 6-Squatch, and I cannot wait to go through hours of video so that you guys can see these 10-15 minute long videos. So have fun. Thank you for watching. Adios.